Ortadaki ne?
Ortada yok.
Gerekmiyor. Okey.
O kılavuz değil.
Tamam.
Aynı şekilde bu tarafta. Bunları takıp sıkıyoruz.
First, you will place the main body part. Second, you must find the position nearly as shown in the drawing. I will tell you how later. Then you must connect the belt section, the table. Then, as the last part, you will install the roller section and accumulator. We'll show you how to do that. Now, the installation of guide section. You will see these white plastic parts. The other side also the same way. You must put the screw and tighten. Here you will have two short and two long guide parts. Shorts will be used in the middle guides. Long ones will be used in the side guides. Like this. Now you can arrange the guides in accordance to the density of the eggs, how amount of eggs you can change depending the amount of egg whenever you like. Now we continue. This shelf section comes as a demounted. You will just first mount it as a separate, then bring it here to mount it onto the body. you will see the holes. You will put the screws. Buralarda somun kullanılmıyor.
Alttan el girmeyeceği için bunlar şeydi. Bu da aynı şekilde öbür tarafta.
You will just put the screws and tighten for both of the sides. Installation of this shelf is really simple. Just two screws and nuts behind it. It is really easy installation. Now it's nearly completed, but we have one more section, printing unit. If the configuration includes printing machine, then you will install this part too. Also for the roller section accumulator, you must check the level of the accumulator. It must be water leveled also.
Burada şimdi açıyor,
And
daha da
for
eğim
the-
var burada.
For
Biraz daha eğimli diyor. Yumurta aksın diye.
here, you must see this slope just 3, 4, maybe at most 5 degree will be here to let the egg flow through the gates to the rollers. Now, time to install the printing machine. Screws comes as installed on the machine. You must first remove them. Mounting parts comes as ready for the installation. You will just put these two screws and tighten. Now the body of the printing machine placed. Don't forget to make it tighten.
Bunları kablo bağıyla buradan bağlıyor.
You must use cable tie to fit here, to fit here. To do the connections, you must loosen this top part. Biraz daha yapsak iyi olur sanki. Kabloyu kesecek. You must loosen it enough just to put the cable in. Then power cable and data connectors will be connected to the corresponding sockets. You may put the rest of the cable back inside to hide. Hop.
Böyle oldu.
Then you will remove the side cover of the table. Then you will connect the chain.
Bir de bunu gevşetiyor.
To do that, you must loosen the tightening part first. Be careful about the position of the chain.
Daha rahat takabilmesi için.
To have more space, more play in the installation of chain, you may loosen the second tightening gear. Then you must fit the chain now. Put the lock and fix it. Now it's time to make it tight again.
Burada
This one.
şuna gelecek.
Also you will tighten little more by using this part also. Nasıl karar vereceğiz ne kadar onu gereceğimize?
Şöyle yaptık mı? Tatlı sert.
Just 1 or 2 millimeter movement will be enough to check how tight it will be while adjusting. Then you will put the side cover back to its original position. Put the screws. Then tighten all of them.
Orta merkez noktaya. Eşit şekilde olacak.
When you place the table section, you must check the water level of the table and you must ensure that it's completely water leveled in two direction.
Burada da yaklaşık bir 2 derece aşağıya olacak. Eğim verecek aşağıya doğru.
In the exit direction, just 2 or 3 degree will be enough to let the egg flow down to the end. As the last part, two people will take the roller section and place it by using the screws and guides, holes already placed. Now you will put the nuts and squeeze them. This side will be the egg conveyor. At the end of egg conveyor, this table will start. Eggs will be transferred from egg conveyor to the accumulator section of the grader. Again, here the second chain will be connected here through the gear, corresponding gear. You have enough space here. When you are first installing the roller section, you must push the roller section as much as possible to this side to have more space and to have freedom in the chain. When you just put the nuts before tightening, you must pull back or move forward here to find the final position. You see, now the chain will be tightened by pushing. When you find the final point, you can tighten the nuts. Since the machine is mounted when all the timings are well done, you must be able to put the chains in this position. You cannot change or damage the settings because we have a part here not to let anyone to change the timing before everything is ready to be operated. When the installation finished, you will remove this part. Then you will give power to this machine to run. Never forget to remove this part before running the machine. This is so important. If you forget to do that, you may do serious damage to a couple of main parts, so never forget it. We have 4 screws and 4 nuts here. You must put all of them. Now cables must be placed. You will put through the hole the cable you have just two sockets here, plugs. Here the box. You will unscrew the screw, then you will see the corresponding couples. You must connect them. You cannot make any mistake here because of the couples selected. Then you will put all of the cables and connectors inside. Put the cover back. Then screw back.